Matt's gonna try cure my hatred of cats, because I hate them. Oh my. There's a kitty behind me. It ran away.
Oh.
But she's getting it now.
She doesn't like me.
She doesn't like Matt either. And I'm supposed to like this cat.
Oh, hello, kitty. Hello. Come on.
It was there, sitting right here where I am. But I didn't sit on it. It ran away first.
Come on.
Is it a girl?
Yes.
Was it gonna bite
Come
you?
on. Come on.
I don't think it likes me. It hates me as much as I hate it.
Come on. That's dangerous. Push, push.
Why don't you wrap her up in this? In a parcel.
Yes, cat abuse.
In a parcel and just sort of put her there and it'll be alright.
Hello. Come on.
I have a tie.
Come on.
It's my Zero cosplay. It's Smexy in it. I had to sew it.
Come on, push, push.
Yeah.
Come on. Come on.
Oh, it's
For fuck's sake.
it happens to be
What is wrong
running
with
in
you,
circles.
Okay.
Don't put it on me. Put it. Please don't put it on me. It'll bite me.
Say hello. Don't mess up its fur. You have to stroke it the right way.
Be submissive.
Be submissive. Right, let's take her over here.
I actually stroked it. It's quite surprising.
Okay. My goggles are broken. Can you fix those?
See, without me, Matt wouldn't go anywhere.
Shh, what are you on about? Oh, you have a little furry legs. There's a cute little pussy.
Misa has hair.
Really? Oh, you can't actually see our heads.
Hello, I looked up.
Yes.
Yeah, I don't know. That's better. Almost too much.
Kitty's like, what is going on? And I'm like, I do not know, Kitty. What is going on? Except not because I don't talk to cats much. Okay, B. Say hello.
Why do you have to stroke it the right way?
Because they don't like it if you mess their fur up.
Why?
Because they don't. I don't know.
I suppose.
Sometimes her twitches is quite funny.
I think it must have run away.
You will not escape. You will never escape. Aww. Kitty, you would never escape from me. Oh wow, you're actually just a black blob. When you turn your head away, look. The lighting in here is awful. Awful.
It could just be the setting on the camera.
Shut up. There's nothing wrong with the settings. She said push, push.
She doesn't talk to cats.
Come on.
Well,
Put your arm B.
could have warned
Put your
me.
arms
It
around it.
moves.
Yes, it does. Readjust.
Ooh, it's trying to get away. Look. Whoa, it's gone.
Whoa, ninja cat. That's so cute. That's so cute. That's so cute. Oh no.
Come on, dog with you. Twitching tail. It's funny. It looks like a little worm.
How does it look like a worm? I think we should let her go now, B.
Yeah,
This is where she leaps up and attacks you.
See how fast it moves. See how fast it moves. Not very.
And she's gone.
Disappointment.
Giggle, giggle. Hee hee.
That was a bit of a fail.
It was a bit. Do you still hate my cat?
Yeah.
I hate you.